If you clicked into this video, then you've probably been thinking about starting your dropshipping journey. You've seen people just like you step into this business and completely change their lives with this business model, and you just want a piece of that for yourself. And look, I get it. I mean, 5 years ago, I had this moment when I knew living paycheck to paycheck and waking up just to work, this wasn't what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. I was sick and tired of feeling like there was always another one waiting around the corner for me, and feeling like I had no control over what the outcome of my future was gonna be. But then I saw something that gave me hope. Hope that I could change the future for myself and break free of the constant hustle and stress of just trying to make ends meet. I saw all the time people that were just like me, making money online with a business called dropshipping. I saw that they were making money at all hours of the day. They were traveling, living life how they wanted, and truthfully, how I wanted. And that little voice inside me told me that if they could do it, I know that I could do it too. With a little luck and the burning determination I had inside me to make it work, I knew that I could. And just 6 months later, with some wins, but even more losses, I learned and worked my way to generating over $1.7 million online with my dropshipping business, and my life was changed forever. And now I'm looking at you on the screen, and I'm just hoping that you believe in the luck that you might have, and that you have a fire of determination inside of you. And because I want to see you go absolutely crazy over these next couple months and really change the outcome of your life, for one lucky winner who comments down below the word Supreme Ecom with your biggest takeaway from this video, I'm gonna give a $500 cash giveaway too. Turn on your post notifications and subscribe, because I'm gonna be giving that winner out in the next couple of weeks. So make sure to go and comment down below. Because right now, and over the span of these next 4 months, this is the best time that you can start dropshipping. And we're gonna get into exactly why here in a second. But right now, I want you to see some of the results that even beginner dropshippers were able to generate during this time because of how lucrative it is. I want you to really look at these results and manifest them for yourself, because they can be yours too. So if you're up for the challenge, then in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get started with your dropshipping store during one of the most profitable times of the year, so you can start producing money online and unlock the life that you've always dreamed of. Level 1. Understanding the potential and unlocking a new mindset. You might be wondering, why am I saying right now is the best time to start your dropshipping business? Well, I'm saying this because the time period between October through December, this is a time period known as Q4. And with Q4, it's one of the busiest and most profitable times of the year for online sellers, with consumers collectively spending billions online preparing for the holiday seasons throughout this 3-month time span. So that means that right now is the time that you want to get prepared for this and get everything in order to take over the Q4 season. But just knowing this is not enough. Getting mentally prepared is the next step. It's just way too easy to put a limit on what you can accomplish, and truthfully, it's not your fault. It's just what you've been trained to believe. We're taught that there's a paper ceiling, which is an invisible barrier that's always gonna follow you and keep you from getting a high-paying role if you didn't get a degree or obtain an alumni network. Even for those of you who did earn a degree, you often find yourself stuck in a job that you spent years studying for and thousands of dollars in tuition on, only to feel stagnant and unfulfilled. But have you ever thought about what could really happen if you made the conscious choice to change your reality and deep down internally understand that no degree can determine your success and no job can keep you in the same place for the rest of your life? Who would you be then? What risk would you take that you're not taking now? That's the person that you have to envision and imitate when it comes to decision making, risk taking, and determination. Create a vision board for the life that you want to live and how you're going to do it, and be very specific about it. Then from there, it's just looking at it every day and literally convincing and telling yourself that you can accomplish it. And know that these next 3 months can be the start of it. And once that fire inside of you starts burning hotter and hotter and hotter, it's time to step into the next level. Level 2, stepping into the market. At this point, you got your mind right. You know the potential for the success that you've always dreamed of is there. So now it's time to enter into the market. It's going to be new, and it's probably even gonna feel a little uncomfortable. But that uncomfortable feeling, this means that you're in the right place. Because as soon as that uncomfortable feeling passes, you're gonna get a small spark of excitement. And that spark of excitement is gonna help you enter in the market and remember who you are and what you came to accomplish. So right now, I'm gonna show you how to enter in the market by creating a dropshipping store in the easiest way possible. In my description below, you're gonna see a store builder link that I created to pump out custom built Shopify stores that are ready to start selling on. You don't have to have any previous experience with Shopify, and you don't need to know how to create a high converting store. I literally created this software to do all the work for you so that moving on to the next level is even easier. And the best part is it's 100% free, and it's so simple to set up. Once you go to my description below, click it, you're gonna be led to this landing page. And then you're gonna go ahead and click on build my free store. Then just enter your name, your email, and set a password. From there, you're just gonna go ahead and select the niche that you wanna start selling on. And if you don't know yet, just go ahead and click on the I'm not sure section. Now, this option is still gonna do the heavy lifting for you and create a store under any niche where you can still come back and customize it any way that you want in the future. Now, all these stores are completely customizable. Not one is gonna be the same. So once you do decide what niche that you wanna sell in, you'll be able to make the changes accordingly. Now, from there, you're just gonna go ahead and select 2 banners that you want on your store, which again, can be changed once the store is created. Next, you're gonna access your Shopify store and sign up with the basic plan, which is gonna be free for the first 3 days and only costs you $1 for your first month, which is just enough time for you to get everything together before Q4 starts. Then from here, you just want to go back to the store builder page and follow the last few instructions. And in just a few minutes, you're gonna have a fully customizable store that is created just for you. And at this point, that spark of excitement from creating your Shopify store, it should be turned into the need for another dopamine rush, stemming from taking a step towards a new reality. Level 3, channeling the customer. So what's gonna get you that next rush of taking one step closer to creating a life that you only dreamed about? Well, that's gonna be understanding your customers' needs and providing them with a product that has the potential to have your store booming with sales. Let's dive in and take a look at how you're gonna do that. So if you follow the store builder creation process, you'll probably notice that your store was loaded with products through AutoDS. AutoDS is not only a product research platform, but a fulfillment and automation platform too, meaning that every product that you find on the platform can also be directly fulfilled from it. But with the billions of products that are out there, how do you know which ones your customers actually want? And what is worth your time selling? Well, here's something that you should know. Customers, they're always gonna tell you what they want and when they want it. You just have to be willing to listen. Right here on Google Trends, you're gonna see exactly what customers are looking for. And the data doesn't lie. I mean, it's gonna tell you straight up exactly when you should start selling products related to that specific trend and when you should stop. So for example, if I came over here and typed in Halloween, you can clearly see based off the data at the same time, every single year, consumers are looking for Halloween related products, which if you can't tell, it's literally right now. And it's peaking out around October 28th of each year. And these trends are something that you can see along every trend, from Christmas to New Year's to smaller trends like camping and winter. And this is telling you everything that you need to know about what products that you should start selling. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. And this is how you should be making your decisions. And then from here, you're gonna wanna head into AutoDS and search for products that fall within that trend. And when it comes to finding a winning product, they have 4 sections that you can search through. And every section is gonna be loaded with potential winners based off of what is currently getting a lot of engagement on the market or has the potential to do so in the upcoming weeks. Starting off with this marketplace section, this is gonna show you every product that AutoDS can fulfill. And it even has a fast shipping option that's gonna show you products that can be shipped and delivered to your customer in a span of 1 to 5 days. Now the trending product section, this is gonna show you everything that's getting traction on Facebook. This is gonna do the exact same thing for TikTok. Then you have the ads by section, which is my personal favorite. And it's gonna let you filter down by exactly what products that you're looking for that are getting a specific type of engagement. Here you can filter down by keywords, the engagement the ad is getting, the dates that the ads were posted, which is literally going to completely streamline helping you find products that fall in line with the trend that you just verified. But there's one more step that you need to take to make sure that you're about to start selling a product that can help you start making money in your sleep. And to me, it's one of the most important steps to success, which is not reinventing the wheel. You want to make sure that your competitors who are selling this exact product that you're wanting to sell, they're getting active traffic to their store, which is going to give you all the social proof that you need to know that it's a product that consumers are interested in and that are actively buying it today. So let's head into one of the competitors' websites. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up a Google Chrome extension called SimilarWeb, which you can find in my description down below. You're gonna see that this competitor is getting almost 45,000 monthly visits to their website, and the trend, it hasn't even popped off yet. And by seeing this number, you can now do a quick calculation to get a rough estimate of how much they're potentially making from selling this product. All you need to do is take their 45,000 monthly visitors and multiply it by the industry conversion rate for e-commerce sellers, which is 2.5%, which is gonna come out to 1,125, which is a rough estimate of how many orders they're currently getting. So if you take that 1,125 and multiply it by their selling price of $35, which is gonna make their monthly revenue come out to $39,375. Now think about what you can do with a simple product like this that is showing promise beyond measure. And now that you know how to identify a winning product that you should be selling, you should be locked into getting to the next level, which is one of the most important parts of your journey. Level 4, creating the story. Humans are designed to understand and respond to storytelling. I mean, just think about it. Our entire history has literally been made and documented through storytelling. Even the movie industry alone is a multi-billion-dollar industry simply because we as humans love a good story. It's not only because it's entertaining, but also because these movies make you feel something. However, the emotions that the movie industry evokes in customers and profits billions from, they aren't exclusive to just films. The digital advertising industry brought in over $270 billion in 2023 alone, and it's estimated to bring in over $990 billion by the end of this year. I don't think that you're actually hearing me. $990 billion with a big B, not a big M. Billion. And my question to you is, do you know how they're doing this? It's through creating storylines with their ads and making customers feel like they don't just want the product, but need them too. And while advertising the products for your dropshipping store, you're going to use that same concept. And there's a tool on the market right now called CapCut Commerce Pro that's gonna help you do exactly that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drop a link in my description for you that's gonna give you a 30-day free trial with unlimited creations, so you can get all your content prepped and ready to go over the next 3 months. But before you get into creating the ads, I wanna break down what makes an ad that pulls at the emotion of your ideal customer and makes them want to buy. The ad should highlight the problem that your product solves. See, this problem needs to be relatable and allow the customer to apply it to their own life. Then from there, the ad should highlight the solution that the product has to their problem and portray the feeling that the solution allows the customer to have. The ad should be telling a story surrounding the product. So you need to think about who your ideal customer is and what storyline would align with them to create the engagement that you need to help your ad go viral. So with all those aspects in mind, you're going to take your competitor's store link, head back to CapCut Commerce Pro, and place that link in their one-click video generator. So from here, you're going to be immediately brought to this next page that has all the information pulled from the URL that you just posted to help you create the best ad that you can. And here you can actually change your product name to fit your brand, add in the suggested highlighted features that you want in the video, or even add in your own just by typing in this box. And you can choose what product photos or videos that the competitor was using that you want to keep or get rid of. And you can even add in your own content to be used in the ads, simply by clicking this plus sign and adding from your computer or from your cloud drive. In the advanced settings, this is where you're going to be able to choose the length and formatting of your ads, up to 4 script topics that you want your AI avatar to be going through in the video to promote the product, and the voice that you want your avatar to have. You see, this is where you're going to be able to really create the storyline surrounding your product. But listen to this. There's a really advanced smart match option for both the avatar and the voice that's going to match them to the avatars that are most fitting for your product and your audience. So you don't even have to put too much thought into it. CapCut Commerce Pro is going to do the work for you. And from there, you're just going to come over here and click on Generate Ads, and an entire batch of storyline ads are going to be created for you in a matter of minutes. At this point, 90% of the work is done for you in just a couple clicks. Now, it's just up to you to do the fine tuning, which doesn't take too much. Now, one of the most important things I need you to take from this video is that content is king when it comes to advertising online. So once you understand that and you start creating content that resonates with your audience, your final level is unlocked, and that level is selling to your customer. And I went ahead and created an entire step-by-step tutorial of how to excel through the next level with strategies to help you reach your first 10,000 in sales right here with this video. Now, quick disclaimer, I only want to see you on that video once you've made it through every single one of the steps that we've already covered today. Look guys, to be completely transparent, when it comes down to it, you can keep thinking about taking that first step and starting your dropshipping business. Or instead, you can make the choice to get started during one of the most profitable times of the year and potentially change everything that you once knew to be your reality, your family's reality, and your future generations coming. And during these next couple months, if you're ready to really scale up and make an extra $10,000 a month, no matter your experience level, then you can work with myself and my team with the limited spots that we have available, where we're gonna be able to grab you by the hand and take you through every single step from A through Z right alongside with you, from starting your store to scaling to 6 and even 7 figures. If you're looking to take advantage of one of the limited spots that we have available, then go ahead and hit this link down below, sign up today, or go to my Instagram at AC_Hampton and DM me the word mentorship. All that's left for you to do is to choose a future bounded by limits or one that is truly limitless. If you choose option 2, then the steps and tools that were in this video are gonna be what helps you take one step closer to making money online. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.